Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI tool, so where it can compute your research answers through AI technology by giving a knowledgeable algorithms. So it applies AI technology to get better answer out of its databases. So in this video, we are going to discuss about this tool. This tool will be very useful for researchers, educators, students. Let us go on to today's video and explore the tool, how it is powered by AI and how it generates answer for our research questions. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT. So how this ChatGPT prompts will be very useful for research paper writing. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. Our main objective is to make your research paper writing simple using AI tools. So if you are interested in, so please check our description for the link of the registration. So see you on our workshop. If you are interested in EV charging station design in MATLAB, so here is an opportunity, a live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as source. So in this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy as a source using different MPPT, maximum power point tracking control techniques, to grasp maximum amount of energy from that renewable energy sources. After that, we are going to incorporate that renewable energy sources with EV charging station. So this is all about this workshop. So it is a live MATLAB workshop to make your EV charging station work. So it will be very useful for those who are working on this EV charging station and renewable energy generation. So make use of this option. So the link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that Wolframalpha computational intelligence. Just click on Wolframalpha. So this is the dashboard of this Wolframalpha. So here you can see compute expert level answers with Wolfram's breakthrough algorithms, knowledgeable base and AI technology. So here you can see the different categories are available here. So as far as mathematics is concerned, you can see step-by-step solution, elementary maths, algebra, plotting and graphics, calculus and analysis, geometry, differential equations, statistics. So and then you can explore even more topics. Here you can see science and technology. So here you can see physics, chemistry, engineering, computational sciences, earth sciences, materials, transportation, etc. So next in society and culture, you can see people, arts and media, dates and times, words and linguistics, money and finance, food and nutrition, political geography, history, etc. Next here you can see in everyday life, you can see personal health, personal finance, surprises, entertainment, household science, household math, hobbies, today's world, etc. So here as far as research is concerned, we use these two things, that is especially mathematics and science and technology. So here you can see I am going to click engineering. So in this engineering, you can see this different options are available. So engineering is a discipline that deals with design, construction, analysis and maintenance of structure, machines, systems using scientific methods, mathematical knowledge and physical principles. So here you can see aerospace engineering, energy data. Next electrical engineering, control system. Next civil engineering, fluid mechanics, steam tables, measurement devices, etc. So here you can see I am going to explore with this electrical engineering as I belong to electrical engineering stream. So click on more examples. So here you can see in this, you can see electrical circuits, electric machines and power systems, waveguides. So these are the things available. So in order to explore this electrical machines and power system, so I am going to click this electrical machines and power system. So here you can see, so motors. So here you can see, you can select any of the motor you want. So here you can see synchronous 6-pole motors. So in the synchronous motor, you can select, for example, you can give supply frequency as 50 Hz and then you can click on compute. So here you can see that these are the information available in this motor, input information, synchronous speed, number of poles and supply frequency. So go back. So click on compute. So I am going to fix it as a 60 Hz only. So here you can see this is all about this motor. Here you can see the equation omega s is equal to 4 pi f divided by p. So here you can download this page, or you can have a related questions. So here you can see 1 revolution per second. So just click on this, 1 RPS revolution per second equal to 0.521. So here 0.77, next to 1.3. So like that it will generate that related with the answer with the particular question. So this is all about this, that is motors and transformers and power transmission. So next I am showing a live example electric circuits. So here you can see Ohm's law calculator. So just click on this Ohm's law calculator. So here you can see voltage, electric current. So and then you can click on compute. So here you can see that electric resistances. This is the example. Here you can customize this example. So here you can give 20 instead of 10 and then click compute. So here you can see the voltage, the electrical resistance is changed. You can see here 0.02 kilo ohm. So like that it will change the content according to the input you are giving. So here you can calculate voltage also, and then you can calculate electric current also, whatever you want you calculate. So this is useful for you to analyze, and you can design the data for your circuits also. So for example, here you can see resistors, compute the resistance of resistors in parallel and series. So here you can see I am going to click this one, parallel resistors. So this is the value. So for parallel resistance, the formula will be 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So the two resistance are here are 30 and 60. The equivalent resistance will be 20 ohm. So like that you can change or customize these values. So accordingly the result will change. So like that you can make use of this option, and also you can see diodes, filters, capacitors. So the designing data will be very helpful for you, and also you can see these waveguides. So just click waveguides. So here you can see waveguides, resonant cavities. So you can select or fix your inductance and capacitance value. So like that you can explore this electrical engineering. So apart from this, you will be having different options like physics, chemistry, etc. So I am going to explore this mathematics. Here you can see step by step solution. For example, algebra. So if you want to find t square plus 3t plus 2, this is the equation. So just click on this algebra. So in this algebra you will be having algebraic substitutions, intercepts, exponents, linear expressions, rational expressions, exponential expressions, solving equalities and inequalities. So like that all the things related with algebra will be generated. So for example, just you can click anything you want. So you can evaluate expression. These are the step by step procedure. So in order to access this, you have to go for pro plan. So apart from this, going to explore engineering again. So in this I am going to explore this one, that is energy data. So click on energy data. So here you can see energy resources, energy prices, gasoline prices, nuclear power. So like that it has different option. So in this, investigate and compare the energy resource for a country. So here you can see this is all about China energy production. So this is the China energy production and graph. So you can get the data within seconds. So what are the sources where the energy is produced. So in order to get the data related with the renewable energy, so you can take this data per year, and also you can see you can have a comparative analysis, that is China versus that is China, Tajikistan, United States wind electricity generation. So like that you can have different options available. For example, France electricity generation, just to click on France electricity generation. So in this you can see the graph and also the table where how it will be produced from different energy sources. So and also you can see the grid electricity property, so grid voltages, grid frequency, etc. So like that you can have enormous amount of data in this Wolframalpha. So this tool is especially for students who are interested in analyze data or to know about particular data, and also it will be very useful for researchers and also educators, that is teachers. So you can make use of this option. So apart from this you can have this are the all the things society and guide. For example, I am going to click history. So here you can see historical numbers, historical periods, historical US money, genealogy, historical countries, military conflicts, inventions, etc. So if you want any of this, you can just click on this. So compare invention, so you can customize this compare invention. Here you can see magnetic tape and iPod. So the magnetic tape inventor is Friedrich Flummer, so iPod will be Steve Jobs. So it will compare the two different things. So here you can see the comparison. This is a magnetic tape, it is an iPod. So here you can see this is the comparison between the both two scientists. You can customize whatever you want and you can analyze the data. So like that, AI will generate a pinpointed data, concise and precise data about the particular thing what you are asked for. So this is why this Wolframalpha will be needed for especially for students and educators. So because in order to make an analysis about a particular thing, you need to study more and you have to analyze or you have to refer different books. This Wolframalpha will give a instant solution for your questions. It will be generated by AI technology and a better breakthrough knowledgeable algorithms. So it will generate a perfect answer for you within seconds. So this is all about this Wolframalpha. So as far as this pro plan is concerned, so for students I am going to click this one. So $5, that is just $5 per month. And pro premium, so you can see it is $99 per month. So it's for semester plan and it's for monthly plan. So whatever the plan you want, you can choose. So you will be you can access unlimited data and you can analyze unlimited data from this Wolframalpha. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. This is especially designed for students and researchers and educators. So make use of this Wolframalpha to get your research questions answered easily, and you can analyze data using this Wolframalpha also. So thank you for watching our videos. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.